TRRS. Now, that isn't even dealing with charging. They're not even all.
We've got a very unusual radio. I think it's a collector's item. This belongs to Jeff. This is a Paul Sebastian reproduction. Yeah, was a limited edition. Came out in 1998. AM and FM. And Paul Sebastian, according to Jeff's notes, made Cologne. And this was kind of a collector's item. It's a kind of a cathedral tuning dial here, AM and FM, like I said. This is on-off volume. This is tuning. The reception is very poor, but it's a neat little radio. Ceramic with a plastic insert. Here's the band select, and there's the batteries. Uses 4 AA batteries, but reception is not too good. That's I was an AM station, and I'll tune the band here. Show you.
Nothing's going to happen.
Very tinny.
Also, for things like
extremely tinny.
People are reticent to go and report it because they could go and report somebody.
Tuned smooth, very smooth. Even the powerful stations locally, it's not very good.
Advantages of using OJC versus a rate.
Very distorted.
Because of the throwing side, sometimes you look at the government and you're like, you're against this team.
Okay, let's go to FM. It's a little directional. Let's go down the beginning of the band. There's the Tampa station. No. Yeah, I won't go on because you can see that the audio reception is pretty poor, but it's a neat looking radio, perfect condition. And like I say, this is a Paul Sebastian reproduction. It's ceramic with a plastic insert. Of course, it's non-DSP, 1998 vintage. And that's about it. I want to thank Jeff for bringing me these radios, these very, very unusual radios. And I want to thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.